So you're a teenager, or maybe you're in your early 20s, you want to learn how to make some money online. Now, it doesn't matter if you have $100 or even if you only have $1. Anyone with an internet connection can do this. This might seem like a simple question. There is a lot of useless information out there, as well as scammers, which is why in this video I'm not only going to provide you with the ideas, I'm also going to show you proof how I've actually earned money with these side hustles in the past. See, I was in the same boat as you. I think that first £1,000 might actually be the hardest milestone to hit, just because you don't actually know what works yet. So hopefully by the end of this video you'll also be able to implement some of these strategies into your life so you can earn your first £1,000 online. So make sure to subscribe if you enjoy this video, because I make videos like this all the time. So first we're going to talk about one of the most profitable hustles on this list, that is website designing. Now before you skip onto the next side hustle and think, whoa, that sounds way too complicated, I can't do this. I think website designing actually gets put into the wrong crowd. Yes, you can learn all the fundamentals like the HTML and the CSS and the actual coding part of it. However, you'd be surprised by how many websites, especially in your local area or towns, are probably made using templates. I myself have actually made people websites using templates and actually sold them for a decent amount of cash. Sites like WordPress, which is a website building platform, makes the process so much easier because you can install plugins where it is literally just a couple of clicks on how you can actually build a website. It's drag and drop basically. And just to show you an example of how easy this can be, and just to show you that you could do this too, I think let's go ahead and make a fully functional website in the next 30 seconds. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is set up a hosting for our website. Basically means our website is online. Then after we do that, we're going to go over to WordPress and install a plugin called Astra. That is going to come with loads of free templates that we can just pick and choose from. I'm making this for a travel company, so I'm going to pick a travel website. Now that I've picked the travel template, it will import to my domain, and then after that I can literally just drag and drop. I can change any of the text, and this whole website is mine. Anyone can change text and anyone can put images onto a website. They've done all the hard part for you with this template, and this is what I mean when I say anyone can do this. It is so simple. So as you can see, it is very easy to build a website. We just made this great looking website in 30 seconds. Obviously you do need to remember, when you're actually making websites for clients and stuff, you need to make sure you design it with their vision in mind. You can't just solely operate off the templates, but these templates do make it so much easier. The fact that you can just drag and drop, there's no coding involved, it really makes the barrier to entry really low. Anyone can do this. I was doing this back when I was like 19. Now you might be thinking, okay, this is all well and good, I can build a website, where am I going to find my clients? How am I going to actually start making some money with this? Well, the thing that I used to do back in the day, and something that's still definitely a very good method now, is actually by going onto Google Maps and going to like your local city or your local area. For example, let's choose Leeds, which is a big city in England. Then we can go and sort by businesses on Google Maps, and then what you can do is you can just scroll through loads of different businesses, and you can actually look on their profiles, look to see if firstly if they've got a website. If they haven't got a website, you can sell them a website, or secondly you can see if they've got a website but maybe it's a bit shabby, maybe it's not well put together, which a lot of these small businesses won't have a good website. But all you really need to do is sell them on your services and actually tell them, okay, so I can make you a better website, and show them a portfolio, maybe make a practice website just so you can show people what they can expect from you. And it's really not that hard. Website building is probably one of the most profitable side hustles, because a lot of people think it is a lot harder than it is. Even when you sell a website on the cheaper side, you're probably still taking home £500 in profit, at the very cheapest basic website, and this has the opportunity to scale. If you're struggling on thinking of what to write to these companies and stuff when you're cold approaching them, maybe just go over to ChatGPT, ask it to help you come up with like a sales approach. Maybe ask it to write you an email saying, I'm offering my website services, I've seen your company and I would really like to work with you, something along the lines of that. However, if cold approaching is not your style, maybe you can go to websites like Fiverr or Upwork, where you can actually put on a gig saying that you're a website developer, and clients will actually come to you asking you to build their website. Now the problem with this is that you're competing with the whole world rather than just people in your local area. However, it doesn't hurt to try both these methods out. Website building is kind of my bread and butter. I really enjoy this, and I've made a lot of money doing it, as well as it's a skill that is very transferable. Not only have I built websites for businesses, but I've actually built my own websites for my own businesses. So when you actually learn this skill, it can advance loads of different areas in your life. Next up, let's talk about Instagram theme pages. Now I actually have an Instagram network of over 600,000 followers. I've built up loads of different theme pages in like the past 3 years, and it's generated me thousands and thousands of pounds. So if you're wondering what an Instagram theme page actually is, it's basically when you grow an Instagram account in a niche. This could be something like sports, travel, or business. Anyways, the idea is that once you start to build up a following, you will have grown a loyal fan base. And not only is it a loyal fan base, it is also concentrated in that niche that you chose, meaning that you can sell them products in your niche without having to pay for ads. This then results in a super high profit margin. You know, for example, if you was to make a fitness page and then you was to sell supplements on that fitness page, say you was going to sell some protein, or maybe you was going to do some affiliate marketing with other protein companies, because you already have such a big following with people in the fitness niche, the chances of you selling protein to these people are going to be so much higher than you just putting random ads out on the internet. So that's why some of these Instagram theme pages are literally making thousands and thousands of pounds a month. Now, this is not a get rich fast scheme. Growing an Instagram page can be a real slow burner. However, you know, the compound benefits of growing a page can really skyrocket. When you actually build up a large following, you can realize that you can not only make money through Instagram, but you can actually sell other products as well. I'm currently running a series on my channel where I'm reviving this travel page. Now, the plan is to monetize this travel page with affiliate links that pay me around 4% of a holiday's price. So because this is a travel page, I'm using these cool exotic hotel videos that are generating thousands and thousands of views. I'm then creating a funnel and telling people, hey, if you like this hotel and you want to learn more about it, or maybe you want to book it, click the link in my description for the cheapest price. And then when people click that link in my description, I'm getting 4% of that holiday price. This means that the conversion rates are going to be higher and the click-through rates are also going to be higher, meaning there's more chance of me actually making sales rather than if I was just making random Facebook ads or something like that. Holidays can cost a lot of money, so 4% does add up, especially when you build a page just in travel. You know, the benefits of that are really insane. Also, this whole method is free because once you've built up the followers, they follow you. You don't have to pay to advertise to them. You own these followers, and because they're targeted followers, meaning they're in your niche, you sell your products, there's actually a high chance of them converting and you getting sales. It's a really good method if you want to get into affiliate marketing as well as Instagram theme pages, because this is not the only way you can earn money through this. Obviously, there's so many different affiliate products that you can sell on an Instagram page, and you don't just have to earn money through affiliate products. You can sell Instagram shout outs, or you can also sell adverts for other companies that will come to your page and ask you for promotions. I only charge around £50 for a story post on one of my animal pages that has over 200,000 followers. You know, I could get anywhere between 3 or 4 of those a month, which means that's an extra £200 for literally just posting a story on one of my Instagram pages. This is a really slept on niche. If you're interested to learn more about Instagram theme pages, how you can grow them, how you can earn some more money, I've got loads and loads of videos on my channel. There's a playlist down in the description. Okay, let's talk about Fiverr Gruntwork. So the name doesn't sound appealing, and that's probably because it's not the most appealing hustle on this list. However, you can actually get paid really fast, sometimes even on the same day that you apply for a job. Back in the day when I was 16, I was grinding out this hustle. Basically, if you don't know what I'm talking about these data entry jobs. You literally do not need to have any skill when it comes to entering data, and people will pay you to, you know, do these mind-numbing tasks because they don't want to do it themselves and they just want to outsource it to you. Now, it doesn't necessarily pay well, but if you're willing to put in the hours and the work, you know, you can actually scale some money and actually start to generate a serious amount of income. I'd say the only limit is, you know, how long you can actually work at your computer entering data without getting bored. You see, there's loads of different people hiring data entry positions on Fiverr. This could be anything from filling out Excel sheets, data, or collecting business emails from different websites. You know, this is all work that anyone can do. The only big caveat that it is mind-numbing work. But you know, if you're looking to generate some fast income, some money really fast, you know, this could be the thing for you. Okay, so that's exactly what I would do if I had £0 to my name. That's how I would start generating some income with some of these hustles. These are hustles that anyone can do, and you know, these are all things that I talk about on my channel. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to subscribe. I hope this was insightful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.